Select Setting. Select System. Select Reset Options. Select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Tap Reset Tablet. Tap Erase Everything. Wait for a while and the tablet will restart. Tap the button to choose your language. And tap Start. Tap Skip. Tap Continue. Select your time zone. Tap Next. Tap Accept. Select Not Now. Select Skip Anyway. Tap Setting and make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Tap Chrome. Select Service Support. Select the version that match the first 5 digits of the product serial number. Product serial number. Tap Continue. Select Allow. Select OK. Tap Details. Wait until the software is downloaded. Tap the APK. Select Setting. Tap the button. Select Return. Select Install. Select More Details. Select Install Anyway. Select Open. All select Allow. Tap the button. Tap Return. Tap Login. Input username and password. Tap Login. Select Software Update and update all the software.